Welcome back to my channel. So in this channel, we talk about everything how to make money. So I will be telling you 4 things you need to know if you want to make money in any way you are. Hmm? 4 basic things you need to know if you want to make money in any way you are. Do you understand? So make sure that you like, share, subscribe to my channel. And make sure that you come back always to share on my channel because I will be dropping back to back. So the things that you need to do if you want to make money in your life, number one, don't depend solely on your job. Yes, having a job is good, but do not depend solely on that your job. Why? Because you know that, let me say, 99% of people that are rich, 99% of rich people, they are not employees. They are businessmen and women. So if you want to make this money, if you want to be rich, start having the mindset of business, because salary works, yeah, they are scams. Yes, it's not that they are not good, but you will not use it to build a better life for you, your family. Do you understand what I'm saying? So try and channel your mindset towards businesses. Do you understand? So there are a whole lot of business that you can venture into. There are a whole lot of business. So you can still be doing your job and still also be doing some other businesses that will help you to maximize your income. Do you understand? Number two, we are too religious. You are too religious. Most of the succeeded countries, let me say succeeding country, most of the country that are very rich, they don't even believe in Christian. Do you understand? Not that you will not be a religious person, or that you will not pray, or that you will not fast. But not the time that we use to better your life, to benefit your life, you'll be using it and be going to mountain and to be doing other things. Do you understand? Do not be too religious. Use your time. God has already given you what it takes. Do you understand? To better your life. So don't waste too much of your time being too religious. There is time for everything. Use that your time and think of the things that you will do to benefit your life. Do you get what I'm saying? So being religious is good, but don't be too religious that it will take you away from the necessary things that you need to do. Do you get what I'm saying? So, number three, you don't even have the mindset to make money. Listen, let me tell you, this making money, you need to have the mindset. You don't even know how to make the money. Listen, let me tell you, people will not just come and give you money for nothing. You need to exchange things for that money. You need to exchange your knowledge, your value, your skill before you can be able to make that money. So you need to start having the mindset of what will I do to make that money. Do you understand? There are a whole lot of skills you can learn. There are a whole lot of things you can learn, you can do, you can lay your hand on to make this money. So it's a high time that you start thinking straight towards making money. It's when you can be able to solve people's problem. That is when you will start making your money. If you don't have anything to deliver, if you don't have any problem to solve, you will not make money. So let me just say that Making money is basically solving a particular problem. If you can be able to solve a problem, you will be able to make money, a whole lot of money. So start now and to think on what will I do to solve problem? What will I do to make money? If you start thinking like this, then the idea of the skills you will learn to make this money will start flowing in. Do you understand now? So the last but not the least is you always have a telling yourself, or you always have in mind that, okay, let me say here in Africa, that you will not make money here in Africa, that the country is too hard, that economy is too this one, that there is no money in Africa, that is only in America, only in China, only in those places that you will go and make money. Let me tell you, if you have this kind of mindset, you will not make money. Remember that this Africa country now is a developing country. America and the other things here are already developed. But here is developing country. So there are many things you will do to make a whole lot of money. If you can think straight, if you can remove the mindset that you will not make money here in Africa, if you can remove that mindset, the idea and what you need to do to make money here in Africa will start flowing. But if you have the mindset that you will not make money here in Africa, it's only when you travel to other country that you will start make money. My dear, let me tell you, you will not make this money. Focus your mindset, channel your mindset on where you are. That is when you will start seeing the opportunities. Even if you see the opportunity, because your mindset is already that you will not make money here, that's opportunity, you don't need to even know how to go about it. You cannot even make use of that opportunity. The opportunity will slip off your hand because of your mindset. So channel your mindset that even here in Africa, you will see so many opportunities that you will grab and start making your money. So these are the 4 things you need to work on if you want to make money. Stay tuned, come back and watch my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. See you in my next one. Bye.